Cloning a sheep by KayScience.com. I'm going to explain how to clone a sheep. Sheep 1 has black fur on its body and black fur on its face. Sheep number 2 has white fur on its body and black fur on its face. You take any adult cell from sheep number 1. That's any body cell from sheep number 1. In this case, we have taken a skin cell or an adult cell from the sheep. You must then remove the nucleus from the adult cell. Remove the nucleus from the adult cell, leaving you with a diploid nucleus and a cell with no nucleus in it. Sheep number 2 must be a female sheep because you must remove a mature egg from the female sheep from sheep number 2. So you must remove a mature egg from the female sheep. You then remove the haploid nucleus from the mature egg cell that came from sheep number 2. Then remove the haploid nucleus from the mature egg cell that came from sheep number 2. You are now left with a nucleus and an empty egg cell. You now add the nucleus from the adult cell into the empty egg cell. So you're adding the nucleus from the adult cell of sheep 1 into the empty egg cell from the egg of sheep number 2. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. You then give this cell a mild electric shock. This causes the nucleus and the cell to fuse. So it's really important to give it a mild electric shock, which causes the nucleus and the egg cell to fuse. Now the egg cell and the nucleus are fused. Mitosis will cause this egg cell to divide by mitosis to form the cloned embryo. So this is now a cloned embryo. The cloned embryo is then implanted into the uterus of another sheep. The cloned embryo is then implanted into the uterus of another sheep. In this case, we're calling it sheep 3. Sheep 3 is what we call a surrogate. A surrogate carries the offspring of other parents. The lamb born is a clone of sheep 1. The lamb born is a clone of sheep 1, from where the nucleus or genetic DNA was taken from. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. So let's recap. The nucleus from an adult cell from sheep number 1 with black fur on its face and body is removed. This diploid nucleus is placed into the empty egg cell from a female sheep. This cell is then given a mild electric shock. This mild electric shock causes the nucleus and the cell to fuse, forming a cloned embryo. The cloned embryo is then implanted into a surrogate sheep, this time sheep 3, and then the lamb born is then going to be a clone from sheep number 1. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Visit KayScience.com for more free videos, worksheets, and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.